Roses are red, violets are blue. My poop is brown, and I love you.
Ah, you're a loser!
Stop it. Super Bowl, a game not to miss, to come out and win as champs. The best game of all.
Yeah, right! Boo!
The lucky leprechaun. There was a cool
You
leprechaun
suck, Boo!
named
Get
the
off the
Pentagon
stage!
in a dark
Boo!
to Taiwan. And he had too much Parmesan. You know what? Don't make fun of me.
What are you gonna do about it? You're gonna do that to me again! You little wimp! You know what I think of this? That's what I think of it. Go home.
Mommy.